If you've ever wished accessing your Hotmail account could be just a little faster and more seamless, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to get your Hotmail QR code in just a few quick steps. It's simple, it's efficient, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to generate your own secure QR code for easy login across your devices. Let's get right into it. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Outlook login page. This is the gateway to your Hotmail account through Microsoft 365. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click it, then enter your Hotmail email and password to access your inbox. After signing in, you'll land on the main Outlook interface, your familiar hub for all things email. Now, to get your QR code, we need to jump into the settings. Look toward the top right corner again and click on the gear icon, the universal symbol for settings. It's usually grouped with a few other small icons, so don't worry if it takes a second to spot. When the settings panel opens, select Mail. This will bring up deeper options that let you customize how your email behaves and how it connects with your devices. Scroll through the list until you find Forwarding and IMAP. This section handles the technical side of email connections, which includes where your QR code lives. Once you're inside the forwarding and IMAP settings, look for the QR code option. Click on it, and just like that, Outlook will generate your unique Hotmail QR code. This code acts like a secure shortcut, allowing you to connect devices to your email without typing in your login details every single time. It's fast, it's convenient, and it's especially useful if you're setting up multiple devices or using new features that support QR login. And that's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've successfully generated your Hotmail QR code. Remember to keep it secure and only use it on devices you trust. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick and clear tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.